John Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 29th of January. Starting with Bitcoin as usual. This is the bounce off the low, so clear ABC at the moment for an A wave, I think. Probably A, B, C for a B wave. Then a C wave rally to complete 4, I think. Suggesting we've got another low to come, with the key support around 28,000. Not mandatory, but there's no real sign this is an impulsive move up, so it suggests the low is still in front of us. I wish it were otherwise, but there we go. The actual wave pattern is that we've got a slightly longer term chart here. A big A, B, C. So we're right on the C equals A level at the moment. It's just a pattern here is just not giving us any confidence that the low is actually in. I don't think it's far off. I think it'll be a 5, then 1, 2, 3. As long as it is a complete 3, it may only be part of 5, part of 3. But key support's 28. A break below 28 would probably put a lot of people into the bear camps and probably swing the balance so that it's time for a rally to correct that imbalance. But right now I'm still looking for slightly lower prices, but not dramatically lower prices, I don't think. And I'm looking for a startling rally to come in fairly soon once all this is out of the way. Let's go on to Ethereum. All right, Ethereum looks potentially more positive with again the A, B, C, but a possibly complete C. Whereas with the Bitcoin we haven't got that possibly complete C in place yet. Let's have a look at the 3-month chart. Look at the shape of this rally. Sorry, the shape of the decline. So we've got an ABCA, triangular B, and a possible 5-part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-part C wave. So that could be complete. If you look at the actual shorter term action for this rally, still an ABC there. So again, we haven't really got confirmation at this point, and it may be the same pattern: ABC A wave, ABC B wave, then a C wave rally perhaps. And then one more sell-off. So it's basically open to interpretation, but this still doesn't look too encouraging, despite the more positive pattern into this low here, which is a possible C wave. So we're still waiting for, certainly on Bitcoin the low and confirmation, and maybe the same with Ethereum, with a slight positive bias on Ethereum. All right, similar action on gold, which is falling back again. So I think we've got quite a big triangle, A, B, C, D, now the final E wave, before we see a decent rally. Let's look at a slightly shorter term chart here. Go to a 3-month chart. ABC here, it's all part of the E wave, A, B. So that looks like the end of the C in fact. So we'll get rid of all these 5s and things running up there. Fairly meaningless now at this point. The A equals C calculation was quite useful, incidentally, and looks pretty impulsive. So this may well be the final leg down of this triangular, rather messy triangular form. But it looks like there's more to come on gold as well to the downside. Silver is similar with a C wave coming. Sorry, A, B, C. And again, it looks like the C, if it's going to be equal to the A wave, we're going to take silver quite a lot lower. So I think we're going to break this low quite soon, probably, and see. I thought we could see an A. This could be an A, B, C, I suppose, and a C wave decline. But certainly we're testing the support levels at the moment, really. And even if we do rally for a while, I think the medium term we're going to go lower before this goes up again. FTSE is more positive of the various equity markets we look at. That looks impulsive, but this also looks like a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's holding its own right now, but whether it'll be able to buck the trend of the other markets remains to be seen. But certainly at the moment, FTSE does have a slight edge. The DAX looks negative. We've got the 5 here, A, B, C. Pretty impulsive decline here, but not a 5 in fact. Looks like an A, B, C at the moment. Could be an A. This is dithering around, but probably has a bit further to go, I think. So I think the B wave's got further to go. It could be it's a big ABC already. It could be just a B, C. But we've got no confirmation this rally here is not giving us any kind of sign that it's impulsive. looks more corrective at the moment, so hence the suggestion it's going to go lower, I think. Similar actually on the S&P. The 4 could be there, but this is going higher in any case. It could be an ABC, in fact. I told off my VIX position. One thing with the VIX is it's quite hard to actually get the peak because it's all about the volatility. So when a market starts to move quickly, that bumps up the price, but you have to be quite quick to actually get that price, because then bounces back again and things falls back quite quickly. Because like I say, it's volatility. It's not based on a level as such. I think probably this is going to go higher at the moment, which could suggest that it's actually a complete ABC at the moment. Anyway, I'll see how this looks going ahead. But when it starts to rally more, I'll look at it again. And this is an ABC, so I think as an ABC move, this could be a C wave, but it might well be the end of the move. So it could be got an A wave, maybe a B wave up to here somewhere, and a C wave decline coming in subsequently. Nasdaq more the same, clear ABC there, so A, B, C. This could actually be part of C, so C may want to be a little bit lower down, in the sense we've got possibly a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, maybe a 5. But the same kind of pattern. This doesn't look very impulsive, to say the least. So the suggestion is we're going to may see a bit more upside to complete an ABC, but the more downside is coming in shortly. So if that's the case, I'll be looking to reintroduce my VIX position once the S&P seems to have peaked. That's all for today. I think it's useful. Back to the report on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.